What's his name?
I'm a mean guy.
Judah, show Grammy the one that's mean. Who's the one that's mean?
What's his name?
No. His name is Haman.
Haman is the mean guy? Who else is there? Is there a girl there?
No.
No girl?
No. Everybody.
What holiday is it?
Purim.
Oh, it's Purim. Okay. Is Queen.
Nice day.
It's a nice day.
Nice day. Hey. Nice day.
Judah, who's this?
Is
Who
it
has the crown?
Is it the 15th of Adar? I think it is.
Who has the
Adar
crown?
is the month of Purim.
I am proud.
Oh, that's Haman. He's not wearing a crown. He wears a pointy hat.
I want to come more.
And do you know we eat Hamantashen because of his hat?
You want to color some more?
You know about Hamantashen?
Okay.
You gonna
Yeah,
have
we
it?
have a book about Haman.